So hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today we are working on this coffee machine, a bean to cup coffee machine from JURA or JURA. I don't know how to pronounce this. This is the model 6552, and the specific problem with this one is that blows up the fuse of the house. Yeah, so when you plug it into the wall socket or to the main power, it has a huge short circuit and blows up the main fuse of the house, not the internal one. So this is what I understood from the person who gave this to me to check it out. As far as I understood, works perfectly, making coffee and stuff, but has an electrical problem as described. So for this, I want to take my short circuit tester, yeah, and what this does actually is, in case we have a short circuit, the light bulb will light on. Yeah, basically it will close the circuit via this light bulb. So let's see. Okay, so it seems like there's no problem. Let's power it on. And it actually powers on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you saw? So it tries to do something, and at some point makes a short circuit. Let's power it on again. Okay. Boop. Blows the fuse. Okay, this is not okay. Let's disconnect and try to open it up and see what's going on. So, as investigated, in order to open it up, here there are 4 oval head screws. So one here, one on this side, and 2 on each side of the bean compartment, coffee bean compartment. And then on the back side, here should be a JURA logo that has to be pushed and then squeezed, pushed around, yeah, and then removed. And then we have here 2 Torx screws that have to be removed, and then the side covers will go on this side, yeah, like this. Yeah. So I will try to open up these oval head screws. These are really hard to remove. Yeah, you need a special screwdriver. Yeah, I made one of these, but I want to order a special one. So this will be really difficult to remove. Yeah. All right, so we managed to remove the housing. As I said, the 2 sides are going apart. This upper part is going up as you remove the screws and the 2 on the back. So now we have access to the entire electronic part on the back side of the unit, and on the right side we have the pump. Here, over here, we have the motor for the brewing mechanism, and I think here is the heater element. So we will need to see if it still does the thing. Maybe we can see something like smoke. I already took a look on this side. Let me power on the light over here as well to see it better. No, where is it? Okay, and I didn't saw anything over here that is burned or something. So yeah, let's see. So we have put the tray back in. We need to put the water tank here because there is a magnetic sensor just to test, otherwise we will have an error. We have it connected via our tester, and let's test it again. Okay. Yeah, we still have the short, of course. Let's remove the power, and first of all let's identify the power cable. So here we have the power cable going into this distributor through this big I presume it's a ceramic fuse, and goes here, the negative and the positive, or line and main. Okay, and from here we have 3 cables. One is this gray one, which goes to here, and the other one is the blue line, which goes, I think, here, which is the heater element. Usually the heater element is where this type of problems rely. Yeah, we have here the heater element. No? And we have here some fuse. So we have brown, which as well goes to the heater, and blue, which goes to the heater. So first of all, we have to make sure that the heater is not the problem. So let's remove the blue cable from the heater. Okay, and let's test it again. So now we removed out of the circuit the heater element, and let's see if it still does the problem. So the unit is powering up. You can see this. Okay. And no, we don't have. Yeah, still works. The unit still works. So we don't have a short. Yeah, simple. We identify that the problem relies on the heater element. So let me think now. Let me reconnect the blue one and go to the brown one. Remove the brown one, which is the other one that goes to the heater, as far as I can see. What connects over there. Okay, so let's see if we now have the short. Should not be, yeah, because this circuit is closed, but let's also try it this other way. Maybe the circuit is closing through a different. And no. Okay, so we isolated the problem. That makes me really happy. And now we know that the problem is actually over here. So let's try and test. I will completely disconnect the cables from the heater. Yeah, these two ones. And we have two fuses over here. I presume these are working. If they are actually closing the circuit, or maybe they are blown due to the increase. Let's test. So we need a Torx for this. So we need a bigger one. This is the one. Okay, so let's test this one. Yes, of course, it works. It's good. This one is good. So I think we will need a new heater element. If you know if there is a common problem for this type of machine having this blowing fuse issue, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so as I said, this is the first time for me repairing this. So in case you know, it's a simple fix and not needing to change the heater. Yep. Come on. And let me just test this other one, but not remove it at all. Doesn't make sense. I will test it via this. Yeah, and it works. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to open it up. Good. So to be honest, yeah, I presume I have to change this this heater element, and this will repair the problem. Unfortunately, I don't have one of these. So in case you have this similar problem, this is how to diagnose. This is a simple diagnostic. Yeah, I will try to order one of these and change it, and hopefully this will work. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions or ideas for me, maybe I missed something, put them in the comment section below. Let's make the algorithm work a little bit. And yeah, as always, if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.